Hello everyone, this is Anushri Datta. Welcome to my channel Anusri Study Room. Now I am going to discuss with you a shortcut technique for the multiplication of 11, 111, 1111 and so on. This concept has come from a subject called the Vedic mathematics. So with the help of this trick we can solve the multiplications with 11, 111 and so on very easily. So come, let's proceed. First one is multiplication by 11 and the next one multiplication by 111 and so on. Now what to do? The trick behind this is, suppose here it is given 68 multiplied by 11. Okay, so we have to give one dot for two digit number, means since it is 11, since we are doing the multiplication by 11, so it is a two digit number 11 1 1, so there will be a single dot before and single dot after. Single dot before after means what? Single dot after ones place and before tens place. Okay, so this is the logic behind it. Now what to do? Now we will proceed in steps. Now we will proceed with steps. So the first step is dot plus 8, which is equals to 8. Second step is 8 plus 6, which is equals to 14. Third step is 6 plus dot equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Correct answer is, it will go in this way. So it is 748. Clear? So what we have done is dot plus 8, which is equals to 8. The second step what we have done is 8 plus 6, which is equals to 14. 4 carry 1. So the third step is 6 plus dot, which is equals to 6 plus 1, because 1 is a carryover, so plus 1 is a carryover, so 7. Now we can do it in single step. How? Come on, let's see on the next sum. Dot dot. So the first step, dot plus 7, which is equals to 7. The second step, 7 plus 8, which is equals to 15. 5 carry 1. The third step, 8 plus dot equals to 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 957. In this way we can do it in a single step. Similarly, in case of 778, dot before, dot afterwards. So dot plus 8, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, carry 1. 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, carry 1. 7 plus dot 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 8558. Now the next one, same thing we will do. Dot 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 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1. 9 plus dot 9, carry 1, 10. The next one, dot dot. In the same way, dot plus 8, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, carry 1, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 8, 18, 8, carry 1. So next 8 plus dot 8, carry 1 means plus 1, that is 9, so 9. So the result is 9878. So in this way, guys, we can solve very easily the multiplication of any numbers by 11. So the next step is multiplication by 111. So now coming to the multiplication, there are 3 digit numbers, means 111. So the dot we will put is 2 dots before the number and 2 dots after the number. So let's put the dot before the number and 2 dots after the number. So now the steps will be as follows. First step, dot plus 6, which is equals to 6. The second step will be dot plus 6 plus 4, which is equals to 10, and 1 is the carryover. The next step which we have is 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 12, plus 1 equals to 13, carry 1. Fourth step is 4 plus 2 plus dot. 4 plus 2 plus dot, which is equals to 6. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. 1 came from the carryover of 13. Now next step is 2 plus dot, which is equals to 2. So now we will write 27306. So 27306. Now let's proceed to the next one. Next one also 837 multiplied by 111. So we will give here 2 dots. So first step is dot plus 7, which is equals to 7. Next step is dot plus 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10, 0, carry 1. The other step is 7 plus 3 plus 8, which is equals to 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Again carry 1. Next step is 3 plus 8 plus dot. 11 plus 1, 12. 2, carry 1. 8 plus dot, 8, carry 1, 9. So the answer is 92907. Now we can do it very fast with the help of speed. The next one, 3, 8, 17, carry 1. 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Next step, dot 8, 15, carry 1. 22, 23, carry 2, 14, 15, 16, carry 1, 8, dot, 1, 9, 17, carry 1, 16 plus 1, 17, again carry 1, 9. So it is 97791. In this way we can do it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hope you have liked it and this trick will be very much helpful to you. Thank you.